Forgotten username recovery failed on Seedrs Fix. If your Seedrs username recovery isn't working, don't worry, you're not the only one. Many investors run into this issue, especially if their account was created years ago or linked through older login systems. The good news is, the fix is simple once you know how Seedrs handles logins today. Here's the surprising truth: Seedrs no longer requires a separate username for most users. Instead, your email address acts as your main login credential. So if you're trying to recover a forgotten username, that system might not recognize your details because usernames have been phased out. Here's what you should do. Step 1. Go to the Seedrs login page and click Forgot Password instead of Forgot Username. Enter your registered email address. If your account exists, you'll get a password reset link that confirms which email is linked to your profile. Step 2. Check your old inboxes for Seedrs registration or investment confirmation emails. Those messages show exactly which email is tied to your account, and that's the one you'll need to use to sign in. Step 3. If you're still stuck, reach out to Seedrs support. Provide your full name, date of your first investment if you remember it, and the email you believe was registered. Their support team can manually confirm your account and send access details. Most people get this wrong by trying to recall or recover a username that no longer exists. The platform moved to email-based logins for better security and simplicity. So the fix isn't about finding your old username, it's about identifying the right email connected to your Seedrs account. Once you do that, logging back in takes seconds. Stay patient, follow these steps carefully, and you'll regain access to your Seedrs investments faster than you think.